up, dudes? This is one and only Oprelia at it again, and today we're going to be looking at this new feature on Hailuo, which we already talked about 5 months ago when they initially came out with the text to video. Since then they have added out image to video, also subject reference, and now they came out with this new feature known as the director, which we are going to be focusing on here today. And rather than explain it to you, I'm also going to be showing you on the screen how this works. So it allows you to basically do the shots like a cameraman from all the angles you want, the right panning, push-ins, zoom-ins, zoom-outs, all types of different camera control options, which are essential of creating the perfect type of shot you're essentially going for. These types of things did exist in the previous models. They exist in some other models as well, but these are kind of essential now to build out the right specific B-roll that you may be doing for, or maybe you're doing some type of AI fan films or whatever. And now we basically have this feature out, and I'm going to be showing you a bit of the process and what we've been doing here in the past. And I have played around a bit. I think the initial video came out in September or something, and I don't think they have really changed the quality of the product that much, but already back then it was really good at doing certain types of things, in my opinion. And now there's obviously a lot more features. Back then there was no image to video, and that was a big leap in terms of technology. And just to show you another shot here, I did recreate one of the shots that we showed on the last time, a time lapse of New York City at night, and this was text to video. And then I actually used and customized this one and recreated it with the director mode. So now I basically chose to have, or actually was it this video? Oh yes, sorry. So here we have the edited version of the actual thing. So I used pedestal down, tilt up. So it basically gave us a different type of a shot of the time lapse. It's not as great as the other ones. I was just kind of testing it out. And that basically allows us to do a different types of shots. So maybe you have a certain specific thing you're trying to do. And this is another one. I was trying the subject reference thing about a British man in tears after finding out his wife cheated. Has been unfaithful. He starts his car engines and drive off a cliff. Well, he doesn't drive off a cliff, sadly. I mean, good for him. He's not dead. And there's a couple of other ones that I tried, and this one also seemingly is not driving off the cliff. And it's still out 6 seconds. Okay, this is not off the cliff, but whatever. So these are really, really cool. Maybe we can try out to actually do the recreation of... Actually, we can't. So I'm just going to be trying to creating a new image to video. I'm going to be dragging out an image that we used on the thumbnail last time. And now we can actually do these camera movements that we talked about. So here are all the essential things. We have truck left, truck right. We have pan left, pan right, push-ins, zoom out, tilt up, tilt down, pedestal down. We have shake, tracking shot. Let's try a tracking shot. Robot walking in Antarctica. And these are 30 credits. I generously was provided the unlimited plan for this video and videos to come by the Hailuo team. Anybody who's a content creator probably can apply to this program, and they can maybe get unlimited credits and try out all the features. Let's try now another shot here as well. If you don't want to do those things, you can just do some of these presets here, cinematic shots, so freedom. So let's say robot looks towards the sky. And what is very important here, in my opinion, is the fact that the prompting is relatively fast compared to Kling, which have become extremely clunky as of late in terms of the waiting times. It's just unbearable almost. And here you can, by the way, choose the model you're going to be doing. So you have the image to video, and then there's image to director. I don't know, can you actually edit an existing one and apply? It just, when you do a recreation here, it doesn't allow you to change. So this is one of the problems. It doesn't allow us to use the director mode on an existing content. So that's a bit of a problem, but you can basically take a screenshot of that footage and then try to do something out of that. And you can use this prompting thing, which will improve your prompt. And okay, and then we're going to go with director, and I'm going to do actually 2 quantities this time for this one, and we're going to be trying out a different mode. So let's downward tilt. Full body shot of the robot standing on Antarctica as snow blows. Or wind, let's put wind blows. And that's 2 prompts. And let's see. So here we have tracking shot. It's actually staying on course. The background is moving. There's a bit of snow there. It was assumption because there was an Antarctic. So this is pretty good. Pretty good. And we're getting like exactly the shot we want on the right type of camera. Let's see as the other ones are going through. And in the meanwhile, let's talk about the pricing here. So I should probably do like one full video looking into the actual thing. So currently there's 10% off for the yearly package. There's an invitation code. I don't actually have one, but if I do, it will be in the comment section and description. And then there's the monthly, and that is $10, 1,000 credits, and that will get you how many actually? So 30 credits per 6 seconds. So right now this is limited into 6 seconds. There's no upscale feature, nor a feature that allows you to lengthen the initial video to, let's say, to 12 seconds or 10 seconds. That is something I would like to see. So if Hailuo staff is watching this, that type of feature would be essential to have at some point. And then the Pro is $35. It's a bit more cheaper in terms of the credits. And then we have the 95, which is actually unlimited credits per month, which is kind of crazy plan. Not a lot of other video platforms are having an unlimited plans, or some of them do, which are coming with slow mode, which is also fine in my opinion. But I wish there were more options for unlimited stuff, because there are people who actually want to create, you know, footage and stuff that is going to be like for actual. And here we have push out, pedestal up, and tilt down. I don't know what was the red lighting there, but that was kind of off. Let's see if we can actually find other people's things which are done. This is one also done with the director and looks pretty impressive. And this was the reference image here. And it is very nice quality, I have to say. This is image to video. This is not director. There's another director shot here. This was totally text only, so no whatsoever in terms of like reference images. This would have been even better with that. And what else? There's another director one, and this is another like good. If you're doing product showcases, this is going to be extremely good for you. So panning left and right for your product that you have created. Whether it's a real or fake product, it doesn't matter. That's a very essential feature for certain types of things, but it's all kind of like a more niche in terms of. And here's another one with a panning thing, and this doesn't require a prompt here, as you can see. Like this is just like the camera movement, and that's maybe the only thing that you need to do, and that's only one you desire. But let's see if actually, okay, here we got 2 other ones, or this is the one that we already saw. This one is pedestal down, tilt up. Not very a lot of change here. And here we have pedestal down and tilt up. Very similar, but you know, it's kind of following the camera instructions though. But that's basically what I have to share with you guys today about Hailuo. I think it's still a very good package if you're looking for something to spend a lot more money on and you're doing video for full work and you need a lot of the material. And check out my other videos. Obviously, we have featured quite many video platforms in the past couple of weeks, and we're going to feature a lot of them in the upcoming days as well, as there's a lot of releases coming out almost on a weekly and bi-daily basis. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video. Cheers.